Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make the gushing text effect in CapCut PC. For instance, I'm going to select the or the video to the right, and I'm just going to add text. Select the full text. And change for the text. And change for the font style. Change for the font color. And change for the font size. And go to animation. Select loop and scroll down until you find the gushing text effect. So you can see for the final result like this. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.